Once upon a time, in a grand kingdom, there lived a little princess named Celeste. She was not like other princesses, she had a unique and magical talent that set her apart. Princess Celeste could make stars dance in the night sky. The kingdom of Astoria was renowned for its magnificent night sky. Every evening, the citizens gathered to watch the stars twinkle and shimmer. But when Princess Celeste was born, something extraordinary happened. As she looked up at the stars from her crib, they began to move, creating dazzling patterns and mesmerizing dances. Word of the princess's special gift spread far and wide, and people from neighboring kingdoms came to witness the celestial shows she created. The once empty castle gardens transformed into a nightly gathering place where families, nobles, and commoners alike marveled at the princess's starry displays. Despite her remarkable talent, Princess Celeste remained humble and kind. She loved spending time with her people, listening to their stories, and learning about their lives. Her heart was as bright as the stars she controlled. One day, a humble gardener named Leo caught the princess's attention. Leo had a deep love for the earth and a special connection with nature. He often talked to the plants, coaxing them to grow taller and more vibrant. His green thumb was known throughout the kingdom. Princess Celeste admired Leo's dedication to the natural world and decided to visit him in the royal gardens. There, amidst blooming flowers and towering trees, they struck up a friendship. Leo shared his knowledge of plants, and Celeste introduced him to the magic of the stars. As their friendship blossomed, so did their talents. Leo taught the princess to nurture the earth, and in return, she showed him how to bring the stars to life. Together, they created enchanting displays that combined the beauty of the night sky with the wonders of the garden. But one fateful day, dark clouds gathered over the kingdom of Astoria. A powerful sorcerer named Malachi, envious of the princess's gift, sought to steal it for himself. He cast a spell that cloaked the night sky in a thick, impenetrable darkness, extinguishing the stars and leaving the kingdom in despair. Princess Celeste, devastated by the loss of her gift, wept for the stars that had brought so much joy to her people. She felt defeated, believing that her magical talent was gone forever. Leo, however, was determined to help his friend. He knew that deep within the heart of the royal garden, there was a hidden place of great power, a mystical wellspring known as the Source of Light. Legend had it that this sacred place could restore lost magic. With hope in their hearts, Celeste and Leo embarked on a quest to find the Source of Light. They faced treacherous forests, crossed tumultuous rivers, and climbed towering mountains, their determination unwavering. Along the way, they encountered helpful creatures and kind-hearted people who offered guidance and support. Finally, after a long and arduous journey, Celeste and Leo arrived at the heart of the royal garden. There, they discovered the radiant source of light, a shimmering pool surrounded by luminous flora. As they approached, the wellspring responded to their presence, filling the garden with an ethereal glow. With tears of joy in her eyes, Princess Celeste dipped her hand into the source of light, feeling its energy surge through her veins. She looked up at the darkened sky and, with all her might, commanded the stars to return. The night sky began to stir, and the stars slowly emerged from behind the clouds. They twinkled and danced, creating breathtaking displays that rivaled even the most wondrous nights of the past. But their victory was short-lived. Malachi, who had been tracking their journey, arrived in a furious tempest of dark magic. He tried to steal the princess's gift once more, but the source of light protected Celeste, forming a barrier that deflected his malevolent spells. Realizing that his greed had been his downfall, Malachi fled, defeated and vanquished by the combined power of the princess and the source of light. With the stars back in the night sky and the kingdom of Astoria bathed in their gentle glow, joy and celebration returned. Princess Celeste and Leo, now more than friends, were hailed as heroes of the realm. But it was not just their magical talents that made them special. It was their unwavering friendship, their courage, and their belief that even in the darkest of times, light and hope could be found. Princess Celeste had not only the power to move the stars but also the hearts of those who loved her. And so, in the kingdom of Astoria, the princess and her garden-loving friend lived happily ever after, their bond and their shared connection to the source of light reminding everyone that even in the darkest nights, there is always a way to bring back the light.